Have you ever wondered why Salah was gifted in the heavens? Why didn't Allah simply reveal the command on earth, the way every other command was revealed? Because Salah was not just a command. Salah was a gift given on the night of Miraj. A gift so powerful that the Prophet, peace be upon him, was called to the heavens to receive it. People ask, why was the Ummah called to Miraj to receive a gift? Because no revelation on earth could describe the magnitude of what Salah really is. Everything in the universe follows a mechanism. The number of times Salah is commanded in the Quran, the number of rak'ahs in a day, the direction of the Kaaba, the placement of the Kaaba, the timings linked to the sun and the moon. This whole system is not random. It's a precise physics, a divine algorithm operating every single day. But we treat Salah like a ritual. Stand, bow, prostrate, done. No. Salah is a technology, a system, a mechanism created by Allah to elevate the believer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Salah is the ascension of a believer, yet we have reduced it to a mere formality. Do you remember the incident of Hazrat Ali? People said, remove the dagger from his body only when he is in Salah, otherwise he will feel the pain. What does this show? That Salah is not just spiritual, it changes physical states, it alters perception, it creates a connection between the body and the soul. But today, we have set Salah only in spirituality. We haven't set it in our physicality, nor in our psychology, so we don't experience its power. Allah gave this Ummah the greatest gift, a gift that came from the heavens, a gift that connects earth to sky, a gift that we have underestimated. If we understood the true technology of Salah, we would understand why Allah repeated its command more than 600 times, because Salah is everything.